Well, I found a girl last night in my dream, looking like an angel, doesn't need to redeem. She comes with a long thick hair, looking like a suit, and keeps staring at me like there's no tomorrow. She's fine with her figure, with the heart of a 5'6", weighing in the kilos of a 0 after 6. And I want her to become my chick. She told me her name, but I don't wanna mention it. I'm awake in the morning with the beauty of my dreams, so I reach for my phone with the speed of a lightning. I try to find her by the name that she told me. I keep scrolling and scrolling till the end I find her, but none of them looking like the girl in my dreams. So I realize it's gonna be just a dream. So come on girl, where have you been? Come on girl, where have you been?
Mga katong vetamo Masi at hamrale ngalmay Tawnmang at sawin tongin Tu siya pakrual ni velo.
That's how it is, that's how it goes. Far from the other, close to each other.
Kasi at phụ chất rồi cả thai ngã là sắc mình cả vĩnh chu mà hiền in na in khong a ding ring Lut na ya siam halin ka per khong ka sak se a sai rim turing ka na thu asa mental ka la shai thei la choni na in me to thom mo chitin ka bel dung na hian ka ring ma se ka Tawnmang mai wo ka Tawnmang no Valang te chu lim dei nan du lengi an noi thei ma se ke chu na pi ve em ti tak hel po ku shelo chi chu tu viu po ni la bu pol ka ra shio bo se ka ti ve thei ung chen chu ku vanan lo thak na lo thot ma se ka chu to ka ko ra na se li ka pom me su to na chu na mai bang e ya